Hey guys! Girl, I'm at the beach, girl. Oh, it's beautiful. Say hi, boo.
Hey,
I just want to say, hey guys! It is a beautiful day in Zamunda. So we out here at the beach. It's gorgeous, okay? And I'm gonna sit out here because I'm ghetto ratchet. I'm gonna finish doing my last little piece of hair while my kids is out there having a good time. So let me put y'all on the tripod, and I'm gonna finish doing my hair, girl. Even the dog is out here. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all on the tripod. This thing gonna cut off. Let y'all get a view of that beautifulness. Y'all go that way. Go that way. So I just thought maybe y'all would want to get a view of the beautiful water. Like, wow. I got this last little piece left to do, y'all. So I'm sitting on this big rock with my hubby. I hope y'all can see that water is gorgeous. That sun is beaming on that water. Oh, that's gorgeous. Huh? No.
son.
She, she, can she stick her head under? That water dirty. I don't know. I wouldn't do that. Yeah, y'all. So actually, I guess I can do this when I get off this camera. So I just wanted to come in here and show y'all how beautiful it is out here, girl. The air is going through my hair, girl.
Using your head to block the sun.
I'll be using my head to block no sun. That's just rocks and stuff back there. But this water, like, oh, look at that view. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes.
Mm.
Say hi to my people.
Hiding from the sun.
Don't block the sun. The sun is, we need the sun.
She break my arm.
Say, hey, guys. Y'all, this is a beautiful day in Zamunda. Getting that vitamin D in there. What's that? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this when I get off camera because I can't really see. I'm using y'all as a mirror and I gotta face this way to do it. Maybe if I turn my tripod this way, then I can do it. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute, hold on, y'all. Let me get my tripod straight and everything like that and all that, girl. Okay, I'm back, y'all. So now y'all can see me. Y'all might want to see me do my hair, girl, and just listen to that water. Did it fall in the sand, bro?
What?
My phone. Oh, child. So I'm not getting in the beach water today, y'all. I'm sitting here doing my hair, girl. Got my little camisole on. Maybe I can take this off. What's wrong, Stank? Stay over there. What's wrong?
Oh, why we get out, Shauna? It's cold. Why do we get out? It's cold.
It's a nice breeze blowing.
Oh, it's cold.
Got my hair product, y'all. This is the product that I said, Cantu Shea Butter, coconut curling cream. The product that I was telling you about earlier today. Y'all probably won't get this video until maybe tomorrow. Or maybe I'll save this for Saturday. So y'all, can have a video, girl. So, that's all I do. Just put the product on a piece that I'm going to twist. Well, why don't you take your shoes off and get out there in the water? You don't like the water? Just to get your feet wet? You're a wuss. Oh, that water is beautiful. I know y'all can hear it. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Doing my hair, girl. Yes. Don't raise my arms up too much. Y'all don't have to be looking at all my back fat and stuff. What you do, Kayla? You dove in? So I'm doing my hair, girl. Watch these children. Yeah. Wait a minute, hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to tend to my children. Oh, it is beautiful out here. It's supposed to rain tomorrow and Friday, so I had to get the girls out here. Huh? Next time we come, we're gonna be prepared. This is just a spare the moment. Well, not spare the moment. Kayla had asked me yesterday. And I told her she was gonna go today because I knew the weather was gonna be good today and not Thursday and Friday. Put that on the end. Got my feet basking in the sand. Okay. That way when I get home, I ain't gotta do this. I can just go home and feed the kids and go my ass to bed. Oh, killing two birds with one stone. Maybe one Saturday when it's real nice, we'll come out here early part of the day and let them, have fun, and then we'll go home and throw some hot dogs and burgers on the grill. You know how after you get out of water, you be real hungry? Or we can get one of the little portable grills and bring it right here, boo. Because that's what they did on the 4th of July. People had their grills up here and they was, and we can bring a little grill up here and put some hot dogs and hamburgers on and let the kids go in and out the water. How that sound? Okay.
Don't go too far, Kayla.
Did she give us her glasses? Oh, there they got her glasses. Okay. They steadily trying to inch out there further and further. You see them both? They ain't slick. How much I got left, y'all? Who? Ooh, they want you to come back and do my makeup over on Makeup for Dummies. They want you to do my hair and my makeup. Oh yeah, you were supposed to do my hair, boo. They don't give me not damn even no damn age. So if y'all new to this channel, if you want to see my husband do my makeup and hit me upside my head with a damn egg, go over to my channel called Makeup for Dummies. It'll be listed in the description box. And it'll say, husband does makeup. I might link it below if I remember. I'm gonna link it below. Hot mess. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's that restaurant right there. Oh, that smells real good. It's a restaurant right next to here. And that food.
They got a platter for me. My name on it.
Boo, I think you should take. Oh, look at sexy man.
Huh?
I said, look at my sexy man. Why don't you take your shoes off and go get
I'm not going to get that one.
your feet? Well, just stand on the edge and let the water get to you.
No, I don't want too warm for it.
Look at my sexiness. My sexy man.
I'm on the rock. Burying y'all the feet. Y'all the bury their feet. Yeah, you can't walk.
Huh?
Can I stick my head in one time?
Go ahead if you want to. Go right ahead.
But mess your braids up.
She couldn't wait. Look at her. Don't let it get in your... She ain't even give me a chance to say nothing before she did. You happy now? You got your dip in? She said she wanted to take a dip in the pool. Rock it out. Baby Bubba. Baby Bubba to the boogie, the bang bang, the boogie to the
All your
beat.
braids
Beat.
came off.
Show you need to stay on that side. Come on, Abby. Don't come this way. Y'all got your baby suit, so stay that way. I'm not putting that on YouTube, girl. Showing all the goodies and stuff.
Y'all and Kayla's over there. Here.
I don't need to look right now.
Oh, okay.
What is it saying? Oh. Hey, Dad. Can you go get my phone?
You want your phone?
No, what? You don't need no phone to take
I
pictures.
want to take some pictures.
Oh.
I mean, I should have brought my tablet.
You went back to the car
only
and get
way you
it?
can make your phone waterproof is you gotta put it in the plastic bag.
But
You gotta
still,
put it in
water
two
will get
plastic.
in it.
No, you gotta put it in the plastic bag. And you gotta put the plastic bag over top of it, but upside down.
Oh, you blocking my light, girl. Give me the light. There you go. How much time we got on here? 14 minutes. Okay, y'all getting a video chat. So yeah, I probably saved this video for Saturday, because girl, I don't work on Saturday, okay? So that y'all will not be without a video Saturday. Then I will upload that on Saturday. But this is Tuesday evening. And it's a beautiful day in Zamunda. And I'm out here, girl. I'm ghetto ratchet, girl. You can take the girl out the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out the girl, okay? Okay. But you know what I was thinking about, y'all? Okay. It's a difference between being ghetto ratchet and you don't know any better, and being ghetto ratchet but you can turn it off and get professional when you need to get professional. Okay. So I'm one of them type of chicks, okay? I'm ghetto ratchet, but I know better. And I can do better when I want to and when I need to, okay? Because you got some people who ghetto ratchet and they really don't know no better. They really don't know any better. They really don't know that they should not color their hair pink and go on an interview. Like, some people really don't know that. Now, I know, you know, that when I'm Shaquanda Malika Shanique, when I put my pink wig on, I know damn well I'm not going to nobody's interview. I'm not going to talk to no managers and supervisors and, you know, having meetings and stuff, business meetings and business talks. Like, you know, I'm ghetto ratchet, but I know how to get professional with it, okay? But I like my ghetto ratchet side, okay? Oh, yeah, some people just really don't know any better. Yeah. So I'm using y'all as a mirror, so if it's a hot mess, oh well. I blame y'all for the foolishness. The sun's starting to go down some, so my light might change. But yeah, y'all gonna get chopped off a nice little video Saturday, girl, while I'm home relaxing, or, well, actually, no, I'm not gonna be home relaxing. But anyway, I'll tell y'all about it Monday, girl, after the fact. But I got on this blue mascara on the bottom because when I did my Juicy Tingles video today, I had, girl, all I did was, remember reversible shirts? You could turn the shirt inside out and it's a shirt on either side. Well, that's not the kind of shirt I had on today, but the shirt I had on, if this cut off, I apologize, y'all. Y'all done got a good 17 minutes worth of video, girl. So if it cut off, girl, bye. And I'll see you tomorrow on hump day. But by the time you see this will be Saturday, so I'll see y'all on Monday, okay? But for real though, I'll see y'all tomorrow, Thursday, okay? But yeah, when I wore the video for my Eyes Married Now channel, it was on this side. This is the right side. And then I had forgot to bring an extra shirt to the office so that I could do my video for Juicy Tingles. So I flipped my shirt around and turned it on this side, and then just put the blue.
And I was trying to hold. I was
So
holding
yeah, girl, you gotta
I was like, I'll go down, but I'll keep y'all up.
But yeah, I just got this last little piece. So I'm gonna finish this up. Hopefully it won't cut off, but if it do, like I said, girl, bye. Y'all blocking my light. Oh, girl. It's blocking my light. Shauna, you want to say hi to the people? Sit right here. Sit down. Say hi.
I have my phone in my shoe.
My baby. All right, go play. No. Come on, go play. Stay. Come on, stay. Come on. Go ahead, go ahead. All right, y'all. That's my baby. She's a mama's girl.
Ooh. Granny, we almost slipped under water.
So I got about probably one. You said you almost slipped under. What are you talking about?
Because we slipped on the rock. The rocks
About
over there is slippery.
3 more. Oh yeah, don't get on the rocks in the water because they are slippery. So about 3 more and then I'll be done. But girl, bye. I gotta go. So make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you check out my Makeup for Dummies channel. I'm gonna try to link that video below with my husband doing my hair, hitting me upside my head with an egg and all that.